Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your iPhone tracking and listening problem and how you can turn this off. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to simply disable app tracking. For that, simply need to go to the settings. From the settings, you're going to go to privacy and security. Then from this section, simply go ahead, turn off the allow apps to request to tag and make sure that you select ask apps to stop tracking. And every single time when you install a new app, when app asks you to track, don't allow that, and that should also help you out. Go to settings, again go to privacy and security, then go to microphone. Now you will see the list of apps that have requested microphone access. You're going to simply go ahead, toggle off the microphone for any app that does not strictly require it. Then what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead, go back from this section. And then you're going to go to Apple advertising. And from this section, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead and toggle off the personalized ads. That will also help you out. And that's how you can do it. And that's how you will be able to block the iPhone listening and tracking you problem. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.